All right, so let's use log properties to expand the expression as much as possible. What's going on this one? Division. And how do we separate them with division? So we get log base 5 of the top minus log base 5 of the bottom. I didn't actually have to put that in parentheses, but I don't want y'all getting confused because I did that. All right. Can I do anything to that first part? We can get rid of the radical, right? So we got log base 5 of x to the, what's the exponent? Over, what's the root? Okay, good. So x to the 1/2.
Where 1/2 come from?
That's x base raised to the exponent over the root, like we did a couple examples ago. Remember, it's a square root. They don't write the little 2 there, but we could have, right?
Okay.
Square root.
I thought it would be a 1 there. That's why.
Yeah, no, it's square root. It's one of the very few times it's not written and it's not a 1. All right, what about the second one there? What can we do? I can't move the 3 forward yet. Why? Because it's 25 times y cubed, isn't it? So the 25 doesn't have a cube. It's only on the y, so you got to separate them. So if they're being multiplied there, how am I going to separate them? Add them. Now, that's all coming from the same thing, so we're going to have to do a big parenthesis to put it together. So you got log base 5 of the first plus log base 5 of the second part. All right, what can we do now? What about right here? Is this what you're talking about? Oh. Okay, let's just do piece by piece. That can be bungeed in front. So we get 1/2 log base 5 of x. Now, there's a bunch of different ways. There's a bunch of stuff here we could do. So what do you want to do first? Say it again. Log base 5 of 25. He says we can work this out. So I'm going to bring down my minus and a parenthesis, and I'm going to come over here to the side. So it's log base 5 of 25. It's in log form, so we set it equal to what variable?
Y.
So remember, if you're in log form, take it to exponential. So what's your base? What's your x?
25.
And y? So when you set up the exponential, the b to the y equals x. What is b?
5.
To the y equals, what is x?
25.
Can you get like bases?
No.
Yes. 25 is 5 to the 2, or squared, right? So bases are the same. So y equals, so we're going to put a 2 right there. Plus, can I do anything to this last one? The exponent will bungee in front of its log. So 3 log base 5 of y. Can I do anything else?
Can you add those? The 2 and the 3?
You can't add the 2 and the 3 because the 3 is being multiplied times the log base 5 of y. And we multiply before we add, according to PEMDAS, right? Yes, let's get rid of the parentheses. How? No, you don't just delete them. Distribute that negative. So you get 1/2 log base 5 of x minus 2 minus 3 log base 5 of y.
That's a lot.
That is a lot, but that's all you do.
Okay.